message for the following county: North Cass, Minnesota. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 7 inches. Where? Northern Aitkin and North and Cass counties. This includes the tribal lands of the Mille Lacs Band, Big Sandy Lake area. When? From noon today to 3 a.m. Wednesday. Impacts. Travel will be very difficult. The hazardous conditions will impact the Tuesday evening commute. Additional details: there may be a tight gradient in the northern extent of the heavy snow. Locations from Big Fork to Hibbing to Brimson may only see 3 to 5 inches of snow. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Call 511 or visit www.511mn.org for Minnesota road information.